In the Carve Tools section of the Carving tab, we have the Select Surface function. If you click on that, you'll see there are 3 tabs. The third tab, which we call Material, allows us to select very organic backgrounds or surfaces, textures. You can see these vary considerably. There's a variety of them. You can select one, or you can grab one that is close to what you want, and you can say clone. Here you have controls such as your horizontal, your vertical sampling. You can increase those, decrease those. You can play around with the octaves here, changing the pattern completely. There are actual explanations for every one of these, but honestly, the best way to view this tool is to just play with it, come up with a texture you like, or start with one that's close and just kind of manipulate it till you get where you want. Once you're happy with whatever you want, or you just selected one of these pre-made ones, just go ahead and click OK, and it will apply it to the board. Again, as with any pattern, you can change the height. You can also apply your bit optimizations. And this is the materials sector tool.